In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a discount on a Xero invoice. Managing finances and invoicing is a critical aspect of running a business efficiently. Whether you're offering special promotions or simply need to apply contractual discounts, showing discounts directly on invoices helps maintain transparency with your clients. Today, we'll navigate through the process within the Xero platform, making it simple and straightforward for you to apply discounts to your invoices. Let's begin by heading over to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. Promptly after clicking, you'll be greeted with fields asking for your email and password. Go ahead and type in your login credentials. These are the keys to your financial kingdom, so make sure you keep them safe and never share them with anyone. After entering your email and password, click on the login button to access your dashboard. The user-friendly interface of Xero should now be in front of you, presenting various options to manage your business finances. Our next step involves navigating to a specific section of the dashboard. You're looking for the Business tab, which should be visible in the top navigation menu. Hover over or click on this tab to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Invoices from the options displayed. This will take you to the section where all your invoicing activities are managed. Now, the moment you're in the Invoices section, you'll notice a list of your existing invoices. Identify the invoice you wish to apply a discount to and select it. This action will open the invoice for editing, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. Here comes the slightly tricky part, adjusting the invoice layout to show the discount field. At the top of the invoice editing section, there should be a link or button labeled Show Hide Fields. Upon clicking this, a drop-down or a list of additional fields that can be displayed on your invoice will appear. Among these options, you will find the Discount checkbox. Ensure this box is checked. By selecting this, you're instructing Xero to include a discount field directly on your invoice, providing you with the capability to apply a discount to the invoice total. Once you've checked the discount option, you'll notice that the invoice now allows for discount inputs either in percentage or fixed amount terms, depending on your preference or the agreement with your client. After applying the desired discount, it's crucial to save your changes to preserve this adjustment. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will update the invoice with the discount displayed, ensuring that your client sees the deduction clearly when reviewing their invoice. One additional tip to keep in mind is that clarity in invoicing helps build trust between you and your clients. Adding a note or a description to the discount can provide context. For instance, if it's a promotional discount or a loyal customer benefit, noting this on the invoice can add a personal touch and reinforce the value you provide. In conclusion, Xero makes it exceptionally easy to customize invoices, including the capability to show discounts. This feature is particularly handy for promoting transparency and ensuring that your financial documents accurately reflect any special pricing agreements you have with your clients. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Managing your business finances is a significant task, but with tools like Xero and a bit of know-how, you're well equipped to handle it with ease and professionalism.